Hello, wonderful designers. I'm super excited to have you here in this graphic design course. This is a beginner course, meaning that it is going to introduce you to PixelLab. PixelLab is an interesting app which helps you to create stunning and outstanding graphic designs on your phone without using templates. You're going to start building your designs from scratch. So first of all, when you open your PixelLab after download, you're going to see this dull green color. And then up here, you'll be seeing at your top left, you'll be seeing the plus sign. When you click it, you'll be seeing your text. If you want to add any text to your space, that's where you click. Your date, your sticker, your shape, your from gallery means if you want to include pictures or you want to add things from your gallery, this is where to click from gallery. The next thing there is draw. This draw is when you want to sketch or you want to use your finger to draw something on the screen, right? So after the plus sign, the next thing you have is your save icon. Here it is used when you want to save your item or your project, or if you want to save it as a picture. The first one is to save it as a project. The second one is to save it as a picture, and it will be in your phone like the way you have other pictures in your phone. Then after that one, you have an icon here which has share icon. In this one, you can share your project on Facebook, on Twitter, and other social media, and you can also save your dimensions, that is the measurement of your work. So after that place, you also have a quote here. After the share button, you have your quote here. Under your quote, you have a lot of quotes. Like you can see this one here. The first one here says, "The more man meditates upon good thoughts, the better will be his world and the world at large." So these are a lot of quotes, like interesting quotes you can use when you're editing. But I don't think you will need to use this for now because it's just an introductory course. Now after that, after the quote, you have beside it you have some 3 dots by the top right corner of your screen. When you click it, you have lots of things here like use image from gallery, full screen, you have use image from camera, you have export image, you have image size, and a lot of this. So I'll be showing you how you'll be using all of these features to create outstanding graphic design content using this. And then when you look down here at the down part, that's after the first row of the plus sign at the top, when you look at below them, below that sign, you'll be seeing an arrow that is curved. That is what you use when you make mistakes, and maybe you're designing and you make a mistake. You can click that arrow to go back to your previous correct version of what you were doing. The next part you can see is plus. That's for zooming, if you want to zoom into your work. Then this next part here, which is like some boxes, is used for when I click it like this, you can see boxes appearing on my screen. It is used for people who maybe want to place a picture at the middle of the space. So these boxes or these lines are going to guide your vision to know exactly where your picture should be, if your picture is going towards the right or through the left or at the middle. So it's just like a guide or like a ruler, right? After the boxes, the next thing you have around your top right is a space here where you have what we call the layers, right? Whatever you design here, you'll be seeing the arrangement of these layers. But we're not seeing anything here because we have not created anything yet. When you start creating content, when you start creating designs, you see lots of this content here. Like you see some certain elements arranged here, but for now we don't have anything here. Then when you look down, okay, I'm taking my lines out. So when you look down at my project, down, that's down left, you'll be seeing your project. When you click on the project, you'll be seeing lots of the works that you have created before. So for me, I have lots of works that I have created before, so I can see lots of works here. But if you're just downloading this work, or you're just downloading this app for the first time, you might not be seeing anything yet because you are yet to start designing. But for me, I have lots of designs here. So any design you click on, it means that is the design that is going to pop out. For instance, if I click this very design, it is asking me if I want to use it. If I say yes, you can see this is a design that I can use, or that I was working on, right? So that's how it works. And under here, you can see where around the down left as well, you can see where you have letter sign A, that's capital letter A. That is used for adding font. Maybe you want to write happy birthday. When you click it, you're going to see text and you're going to add it in. Then this very one, please look at where this blue icon is going. Wherever you see blue, that's where I'm pressing on. So here, when you click at this middle part, you see a shape there, and that's your shape tool. And you also have every setting that can help you edit using your shape tool. Then after that, you have the next one, which is the background. Under the background, you have the color, transparent, you have the image. Now, these are setups that help you achieve the best in the way you operate the background of your work as you work. Then the last part here is the color setup. This is where you change the colors of your setup, or maybe you want to change it from green to blue, or you want to adjust the hue or the texture of your work. So this is all we have for now. We'll be exploring more in some few seconds. Thank you for joining in. This is the first course. If you're done with this, congratulations. You can click the next course to get the best out of this program. Thank you for joining in.